Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily draw a cylinder section. We will examine the cylinder section drawing feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. When you click Utility, the drawing menu appears, and you click on drawing a cylinder section. Click the start point and end point in order with the mouse. The cylinder section is drawn. Now, let's try drawing to cylinder sections. Execute the command and click the start point with the mouse. In the command window, you see the options single, double, middle. Type D on the keyboard, and press Enter to select double. Click the end point, and two cylinder sections are drawn. We drew a cylinder section using the utility function of CADian CAD. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.